Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're doing fine. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use 3 super important ingredients to make this hair growth oil that will help to take your natural hair growth game to the next level. So guys, this is my hair after some months of applying natural ingredients on my hair, and I've seen great increase. So that's why I decided to share it with you guys. In case it's your first time on my channel, my name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos, so please kindly subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. So guys, let's begin. My first ingredients that I'm going to be using for this hair growth oil is mint leaf. I have fresh mint leaf here. You can get dry one if that is the one you are able to get, or you can use this fresh one as well. Mint is very important for natural hair growth. It has some amazing benefits, including increasing circulation to the scalp, and that helps to increase hair growth. It also helps to fight scalp issues like dandruff, lice, and itchy scalp. Mint is just like ginger, it has some tingling effect, and that helps to increase hair growth by stimulating your hair follicles. So I'm going to go ahead and just pluck out some of the mint leaf, and then I'll put it in my blender where it's ready for use. So I'll not be using the entire leaf because I found out that it was a bit much, so I used half of it. My next ingredient that I'm going to be using is bay leaf. Bay leaf also has amazing benefits also, including helping to fight against scalp issues also like dandruff and itchy scalp. It also helps to keep your hair shiny and smooth. If you have strong hair, bay leaf is very good for you because it will help to make your hair soft so that it will be easy for you to manage. So bay leaf will help you to do that, and bay leaf also help to stimulate hair growth also. So I took out 4 pieces of this bay leaf from the pack, and I just cut it into small pieces and I added it to my blender. So after adding my second ingredients, the next ingredients that I'm going to be adding is moringa. Moringa is also another important ingredient when it comes to natural hair growth. It has vitamin A, vitamin B, and it also has omega fatty acid. These are nutrients that are very essential when it comes to natural hair growth. It helps to stimulate your hair growth by increasing circulation and stimulating hair follicles. So I added 1 teaspoon of moringa powder. Next, I went ahead to add 200 ml of sunflower oil. I don't know if you can see it here. The measurement is 200 ml of sunflower oil. So I added this to my blender. I'm going to be using this to blend my ingredients instead of water. So after adding my oil, I went ahead to blend my ingredients till I got a smooth consistency, and then I took it down. The next thing I did was to turn it in my bowl. I turned the blended ingredients in my bowl. This is a heat resistant bowl, so I turned it into the bowl, and then I went ahead to place my pan on the stove and add water. Then once it started boiling, I placed the bowl containing the blended ingredients inside. This is the double heat method that I'm going to be using to make this oil instead of cooking it directly on the stove. This will help to preserve the important nutrients that is needed for hair growth. So I did this for 30 minutes straight because it is not directly on the heat, so it took a bit of time to get prepared. So after 30 minutes on the stove, I took it down. This is how it looks. So I waited for some few hours for it to cool down, and then the next thing I did was to come back and strain out my oil. And once I was done straining it, this is how the oil looks like. So I went ahead to add a few drops of essential oil. I added bergamot essential oil. This bergamot is also great for natural hair. So I added like 8 drops of this bergamot essential oil into my oil that I made. And then I added also rosemary essential oil into it. I added also 7 drops of that into the oil. This essential oil that I just added, the bergamot and rosemary oil, they are also great for natural hair. So this will also boost the nutrients that the oil contains. After adding those ingredients and the essential oil, my oil was ready. I mixed it very well, and then I went ahead to transfer it into my container. This is a storage container, and I'll be transferring it into this. So I'll just be using this spoon to avoid creating a mess, and I transferred it into it, and from there I'll be using it on my hair. So this is my oil, guys. It is ready. This oil is nutrient packed and it is amazing. You should use this at least 3 times a week to get maximum results. It is nutrient packed and it is going to make your natural hair grow in no time. Like, it's going to make your hair grow really fast. So this is my application process. I went ahead to apply some water on my hair. Just spread it a little bit of water to hydrate it, and then I massaged the water into it. The next thing I did was to bring out the oil that I prepared before. This is the oil. So I'm going to be applying this onto my scalp and my hair strand. I'll be applying it. Make sure not to apply too much because you don't want to create build up on your scalp, because if you apply too much oil on your scalp, it will block your pores, and that is not good for your hair growth. So you should apply really light amount of it just to rub it in your scalp. I'll be applying this lightly on my scalp and my hair strand, and then I'll massage it very well into my hair and scalp. So enjoy a bit of music while I apply this, guys. So after applying this on my hair, I just went ahead to put my natural hair back in the bun, and then I'm good to go. Like I said before, you should use it at least 3 times in a week to get good results. So thank you for watching this video to the end. Talk to you on my next. Bye bye.